Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to remove background with Paint 3D in Windows 10. Type Paint 3D in Windows search bar. Click Paint 3D. Click New. Simply drag the image to Paint 3D. Click Magic Select. Click Next. Refine your cutout using Add or Remove tool. Click Done. Click Make Sticker. Click Apply. Click Menu. Click Browse Files. Select your background image. Double-click the sticker. Change your image location. Click tick mark to apply changes. Click Crop. Click Done. Click Menu. Click Save As. Type file name and save. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.